Hi everybody, so it's the 17th day of the countdown. I decided to make a gingerbread man. I want to say it's not exactly an ornament because the videos is two. So part one and part two that I followed. It's not exactly ornament. It is a gingerbread man, but I wanted to follow it. This is probably the biggest ornament. But anyway, here is the example. Very cute, right? It's so cute. And then here's what I made. Don't judge me. It's not like her example at all. But yeah, so that it's huge. But I still think it's cute. That's what I made. Um Today's it's so big. I'm trying to figure out. I have to move some of the ornaments in different places so they all fit. So some have to go on the back. But yeah, it's right there. So today is day 17, so we're going to get the candy first. My movie suggestion for the day is, it's right here, Christmas at the Plaza. I'm not sure if it's a Hallmark movie, a Lifetime movie. Oh, guys, we got Santa. Hope you guys can see that. My phone is like messing up. Santa. It is about a woman decorating the Plaza Hotel for Christmas. And so if you're into decorations, if you're into histories and hotels, it's a lot of Christmas spirit, a lot of Christmas decoration throughout the movie. It was really cute and you learn some history and yeah, so it's a really nice movie. And then let's see. I forgot to mention my song suggestion, which is Baby It's Cold Outside by Ray Charles. I know there's some controversy around the song, but I love it. And I just have to sing it every time I hear it come on. So I did want to put that in the video. Okay, back to the rest of the video. For day 17 in the advent calendar. Let's go. Okay. For day 17, we have another hook. So I wonder if you can see it. That is the whole hook. I'm going to read what it says. Twin size crochet hooks in size 2.5 millimeters and 3 millimeters. This is a versatile and durable aluminum hook. So yeah, so both sides. That's so cool. So this is the 3.0 millimeters and then this side is the 2.5. That is so cool. This will come in handy, especially with a project when it requires two different sizes. So that's day 17. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day and enjoy this Saturday. I hope you're doing something fun, Christmassy. I'm going to Christmas market. Hopefully I can find something good for my family because honestly, I've done no shopping at all. So, yeah. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.